Aciari a arutwo aria makaingira form 1 riu no mambiririe gwithagathaga gutwara ciana ciao cukuru mwaka ukite thutha wa Ministry ya Githomo kwanirira riria arutwo acio makambiriria kwamukirwo.
We want our children in form 1 to start school on 9th of January across the board, both public and private. And private schools should not try to play games and say they don't have their own calendar.
Rita riri aciari makinyihanyihirio murigo murito wa kugura indo cia ciana kuona thirikari ni ikuheana mafuku ma guthoma kuri arutwo wa form 1.
All the form 1s who report on 9th, we will give them 6 textbooks in school for mathematics, English, Kiswahili, biology, chemistry, physics.
Na niguo gutigirira cukuru ni ciahota kwamukira arutwo aingi aria merigereirwo, Commission ya Arimu TSC ni yaniriire kwandika arutani makiria.
Therefore, as a commission, requested for an additional 12,696 teachers to be recruited annually for the next 4 years.
Ministry ya Githomo ningi igitanywo kurehe mogaruruku maria kurerikana makoretwo makirehe ihingisha macukuru-ini.
If as primary school and secondary school are in one compound, they have one board, one chairperson, one board. And we have agreed with TSC they will appoint one principal with 2 deputies, the deputy for primary and the deputy for secondary.
Na niguo gutigirira mieke ni ararama, cukuru 19 kaunti-ini ya Nairobi imwe cia cukuru cia kibururi igukorwo na arutwo a kuinuka kwambiriria mwaka ukite. Mawatho marumu maria marekererio ni Minister wa Githomo Dagitari Fred Matiang'i no mamwe ma maundu maria ministry ino ya githomo ireka niguo gutigirira ni athinga marima mothe maria magirehe ihingisha riri arutwo marehariria kuingira kirathi gia form 1. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.